Hi everyone. If you've wondered where I've been for the last 10 days, it's because something I told you, I think about a couple weeks ago, which is take what's on offer. Well, I took my own medicine and I did exactly that. I ended up giving a 5-day raw cleanse called the 5-day miracle cleanse to 16 women in 3 different countries. And it all happened because a friend of mine asked me a couple weeks ago if I could help her because she wanted to do a little bit of a cleanse of what I've done. And I said, sure. And then I began thinking about it. And I said, well, if I'm taking her for a cleanse, why don't I just expand it and offer it to other people too so that they could do it remotely? Well, it's always easier saying something and then actually physically doing it. So what happened was I said, sure. Pisana got involved because we've been staying with her for about 5 weeks, and she's been seeing how I've been cooking. And so she said, okay, well, I'd like to do that. She invited it to her friends, and so on and so forth. And we ended up being 16 people. So I had to do 26 videos of, all sorts of creative ways of being able to make salad. How can you turn raw food and without gluten, without fats, without dairy, without meats, without salt, without sugar? How can you turn it into food that tastes delicious and also that heals at the same time? And so I did that. So I also had to prepare, all the recipes of how to do it. And then how could I give this knowledge out to help people as they're on the cleanse? And so it took all my time. I couldn't do Instagram. I couldn't do YouTube. I couldn't answer emails. I couldn't answer WhatsApp. So it was all very intense. But we just finished on the weekend. It worked really well. Everyone is very, very happy. I'm going to be doing it again. And I'm going to be taking all those videos that I did and turning it into a course that I can have online so that people all over the world can actually do it. It's an amazing 5 days that really changes your perspective of food and changes your perspective of your body and also makes you look and feel better. So that's absolutely fantastic. And so where am I now? I have to look at this. You see, look at this beautiful lake. As a gift to ourselves, because it's a long weekend, we decided to drive to Austria, which is about 4.5 hours drive from where we are in Friuli, Italy, to the Salzkammergut. And I have my dear friend Stefanie. She and her beautiful house were in both of the books that I wrote, The Magical Reality of Annabelle Jones and The Extraordinary Awakening of Annabelle Jones. If people know about that and they know about my character Annabelle, just saying how beautiful the Salzkammergut is, it's because I was always staying here, staying with her. And so she has invited us to come stay for the weekend. And so we did, and we're walking around the Schwarzsee. It's a 3-hour walk, and it's beautiful. It's a chance to connect with nature again and to connect with myself again and to realize that there's sanity after all of the busyness that we've had. But I just wanted to share with you what I've been doing, so that's why I haven't been there. You haven't seen anything on YouTube. And also just to say that, it really works by saying, take what's on offer. Listen. I find that, I don't know about you, but oftentimes I'm so busy going and doing that I forget that the world is a two-way conversation and that I can receive as well as just give. So, listening to what is being offered is always a great thing. And if you're interested in learning more about my 5-day miracle cleanse, then get in touch, leave a comment at the end of the video, and subscribe and hit the like button for more about how to start afresh and live a happy, long, and healthy life like us.